Welcome down to Victoria Keys. It's the Sheffield Riviera. We understand there is another Riviera down the canal in Mexford, but it's not half as good as this one. So a little bit, if I may, about the Dorothy Pax. We're a live music venue. We're considered to be culturally significant from Arts Council England. We promote a ton of events and gigs down here. We always have a free gig on a Sunday at 4 o'clock, so our little Packlets, if you like, our little children can come down and have a listen and get some exposure to live music. We've got the best PA in the city. We record all our work here. Come and check a gig out. We're here today to talk about Gala Tent, who are excellent company to deal with. We've used Gala Tents for over 7 years now. We have many more than the tents you have here in our lockup. So by having Gala Tent structures down here, we were able to accommodate an extra 120 people. So we're only a 70 cap venue inside the Dorothy Pax, but we can get 120 people sat out here in all weathers. So obviously that has an extremely beneficial effect on our sales, our numbers, you know. So without Gala Tent, we're not selling as much beer as we are. So with Gala Tents, it's not just the structures themselves. There's all sorts of accessories you can add on to make the product work even better for you. For example, we use the outside heaters, which are excellent and not as pricey as you would think in terms of electricity. They're very efficient. That enables us to use our structures in the winter. We've also got guttering in place. Obviously the weights that we need are coming from Gala Tent as well. We've used awnings in the past to add a little bit more shade, if you like, from the rain for our big events. So yeah, there's all sorts of configurations you can achieve with the accessories that Gala Tent offer. It's an amazing product. They're an amazing crew to deal with. They're very helpful. They always get delivery the next day. There are cheaper structures you could buy, but they're certainly not of the quality that Gala Tent offers. These ones here have been here for 7 years, and you can remember all the storms we had in the winter, offering shade and protection from the rain for our customers. Without these structures here, I think it would be extremely detrimental to us as a business and being able to operate. All I can say, Ryan, is Gala Tents are the business. If you've got a business, you need to be talking to people who do the business, and that's Gala Tent.